Welcome to Arrow Sewing's installation instruction video for your dual-rail electric lift. Take a moment to inspect your lift and its parts. In your dual-rail electric lift box, you will find the left and right lift rail, the electric lift mechanism, the transformer box, the power converter, a programmable controller, 3 programmable controller mounting screws, a wireless remote controller, 2 AAA batteries for the remote control, cord clips for cord management. The screws you need to attach the electric lift mechanism to the platform panel are included with the rest of the hardware found in your sewing cabinet's parts box. Check the manual to find the appropriate screw size. You can also contact customer service if you need help. The lift, power converter, transformer box, and programmable controller are shipped with all cords and receptacles hooked up. You'll need to unhook all these connections to install your lift. Don't worry, the cords and receptacles are easy to match up. Check your electric lift mechanism for loose or missing parts. Your electric lift has 2 cables with a tab at the end of each of them. There are 2 plastic guides at either side of the lift. Check to make sure that they are aligned with one another vertically. If they are misaligned, use pliers to twist them into alignment. There are 3 pulleys that help move your electric lift up and down, and a motor with a power cord coming from it. There is also a second cord for the limit switch. If you haven't already disconnected these 2 cords from the power converter, do that now. Follow your cabinet's assembly manual for instructions on how to attach the lift rails to the cabinet and which screws to use. The rail tabs should be oriented to the top of the cabinet as you can see here. Attach the electric lift mechanism to your cabinet's lift platform panel using the screws specified in your cabinet's assembly manual. If your lift platform panel has a notched cutout, make sure that the back of the lift is facing that notch, like this. If your platform doesn't have partially drilled holes, measure and mark each end as shown. 2 inches for the Aussie, Kangaroo and Joey, and Wallaby cabinets. 3 inches for the Sydney and Mod 2061 cabinets. Center your lift and attach it to your platform. Pull the cables out as far as they will go and slip the plastic guides onto the lift rail. Lower the lift and tuck the tabs at the end of the cables into the rail tabs at the top of the lift rails, like this. Make sure that the cables are securely hooked into the rails on both sides of the lift. Complete cabinet assembly according to the instructions in your assembly manual. You can also find video instructions on arrowsewing.com. You can also search our YouTube channel for your cabinet name. To control the cords coming from your electric lift mechanism, twist the 2 lift mechanism cords together and feed them through the cord port at the back of your cabinet. Install the programmable controller with the screws provided. You may choose to use an electric screwdriver for this step. Make sure the torque is set below 5 to avoid damaging your cabinet's finish. If your cabinet does not have partially drilled holes for mounting the controller, use the template provided with your lift. Make sure the lift platform clears the controller unit. If your cabinet has a door, make sure it can close with the controller inside before drilling your holes. When drilling the mounting holes for the programmable controller, make sure to drill a depth of 1/4 inches or less. Do not push the drill through to the other side of the panel. Lost the template? No problem. You can find a printable replacement at arrowsewing.com. The link is in the description below. You can request one from Arrow Sewing's customer service. Email us at cs@arrowsewing.com or give us a call. Carefully feed the single cord from the programmable controller through the cord port. You may choose to use or not use the included cord clips to keep the power cord coming from the programmable controller secure. If you do decide to use the cord clips, make sure that your power cords don't cross over the lift rails. All cords are long enough to place the power converter and transformer box outside, to the rear of the cabinet, if desired. Match up the power cord with the receptacle on the power converter. Each cord and cord receptacle has a different pin pattern, making it easy to match cords and receptacles correctly. To program preset lift positions, simply use the up and down arrows on your programmable controller to perfectly position your machine. Free arm position. Hold 1 to save. Flatbed position. Hold 2 to save. Storage position. Hold 3 to save. Or use your 4 preset locations to pre-program your favorite sewing position for a variety of machines. You can control your platform's height with the wireless controller too. Simply push the up or down button to start the lift moving. Push the stop button to halt the lift. Place your custom acrylic insert in the sewing well, carefully fitting it around your machine. You now have a perfectly comfortable flatbed sewing cabinet. Say goodbye to hunched shoulders, tired wrists, and an aching back, and hello to happy sewing. You don't have a custom acrylic insert yet? No problem. You can easily order one on arrowsewing.com. Link is also in the description below. You can also call customer service for assistance with ordering. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and product reviews. Happy sewing!